Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 5 and 6 of exercise 4.1, chapter 4. Chapter name is Simple Equation. Question number 5 says, write the following equations in statement form. In last video we have studied that we have been given statement form and we have to convert it in the equation form. In this question they have given us in the equation form. We will convert it into the statement form. So how to convert? It is very easy. We will write, here you see plus, so we will write sum of P and 4 gives, you can also write is 15. You can also write is 15, gives 15. Next, here you can see minus, so we will write difference of m and 7 gives 3. In third part we will write, here you can see 2 is in multiplication with m, so we will write 2 times 2 times m gives 7. Now we will write in fourth part 5 divided by m, or m divided by 5, m divided by 5, m divided by 5 gives 3. Next, 3 times m, 3 is in multiplication with m, so we will write 3 times m divided by, whole divided by 5, so we will write 3 times m whole divided by 5 gives us, what is, they will give 6. Next question, 3 times p, we will write sum of, or we can also write adding 4 to the 3 times of p gives 25. So we will write adding 4 to what? 3 times p, 3 times of p will give or gives 25. Subtracting 2 from 4 times of p, 4 times of p gives 18. Next, adding 2 to p divided by 2, we get 8. Hope you have understood this question. Now moving to sixth question. Question number 6 says, set up an equation in the following cases. They have given us the word problem. We are supposed to give only the equation. So how to do? Let us see. Here we have to do only the equation. We have to give only the equation. We don't have to solve. So first part says, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Irfan has some marbles, and how much it is? It is 7 marbles more. That means 7 marbles more means plus 7. 7 marbles more than 5 times. 5 times means multiplication. 5 times the marble Parmit have. Let me write Parmit for P. So whatever the Parmit will have, he will have 5 times of Parmit plus 7. Who will have? Irfan. Now moving to next part. Irfan has 37 marbles. Also, Irfan also has 37 marbles. So whatever this will be equal to 37, because this is also of Irfan, but this is in the statement form. We have to give in the equation form, and 37 was the total which they have given us. Also they have given us one hint. They told that take M to be the number of Parmit's marble. So we will start with that hint only. Here I have already written so that it doesn't take so much of time. So I have written let Parmit has M marbles, because they have told us to take M. Therefore, according to question, number of marbles Irfan has. What is the number of marble Irfan has? 7 more than 5 times the Parmit has. And how much Parmit has? Parmit has M marbles. So we will write 5M plus 7. Also they have given Irfan has 37 marble. So we will write also Irfan has 37 marbles. So therefore the equation becomes Irfan has 37 marbles. So I will write 5M plus 7 is equal to 37, whatever the Irfan has. So this is our equation which will be formed from the above word problem. Now moving to next question, next part number 2. Let me first read out. Lakshmi's father is 49-year-old. Lakshmi's father. Lakshmi is one girl. Her father is 49-year-old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. They have not given us the Lakshmi's age, but they have given us to find how to find the Lakshmi's age and prepare the equation according to that. So he is, that is Lakshmi's father is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So whatever the Lakshmi's age, he will be 4 years older, that is 4 plus, older means plus 4. Then 3 times Lakshmi's age, 3 times Lakshmi's age. So whatever the Lakshmi's age will be there, we will write 3. They have told us to take y, so we will write 3y plus 4. This is the statement, this is the equation formed from this line. Now this is also Lakshmi's father's age and this is also Lakshmi's father's age. So we will equate them and we will get this answer. So let us write, as they have given us hint, I will write like that only. Let the age of Lakshmi be y years. Therefore, according to the question, age of Lakshmi's father is equal to 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi. Lakshmi is y. Also, Lakshmi's age, Lakshmi's father's age, Lakshmi's father age is equal to 37. This is also Lakshmi's father age, this is also Lakshmi's father age. So we will equate them. Therefore, the equation becomes (3y plus 4 is equal to 37. This is our answer. It is also having third and fourth part, but I want you all to practice that third and fourth part of this question. We will meet with new question, new exercise in new video lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.